Good morning, students. Today, in the second part of Lesson 4, the nervous system, you will gain knowledge about the structure of the sense organ and their care. Students, as you know, we are able to learn, understand, enjoy all things around us because of our sense organs. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are our five sense organs. Let's start with the organ of sight, eyes. The eyelids and eyelashes protect the eyes from dust and dirt. Now, let us know about the structure of the eye. The black spot in the center of the eye is called the pupil. It is an opening through which light enters the eye. The colored circle is called the iris. The amount of light that passes through the pupil is controlled by iris. The eyes of people are found in different colors. It is due to the presence of melanin pigment in it. The optic nerves carries messages from eye to the brain, and thus the eyes help us to see the things. In this way, brain receives and interprets information given by eyes. We can keep our eyes healthy by taking proper care of them. We should wash our eyes regularly every morning and evening. We should not read in moving vehicles. We should not read in dim or very bright light. We should not rub eyes with dirty hands and should never wipe the eyes with a dirty handkerchief. Next is the organs of hearing, ears. Ears helps to maintain the balance of our body. An ear has three main parts: external ear, middle ear and internal ear. The external ear consists of the pinna and the auditory canal. The sound waves collected by the pinna travel through the auditory canal and strike the eardrum. The eardrum is connected to the middle ear, which has three tiny bones. These bones carry the sound waves to the cochlea of the internal ear. From the cochlea, the sound waves are carried to the brain by the auditory nerves. Care of the ears. We can keep our ears healthy by giving them proper care. We should never hear loud music or loud noises. Never use a matchstick or hairpin or any other sharp object to clean the ears. A doctor must be consulted in case you have any problem in the ear. Next is the organ of smell, nose. It happens many times that when we smell a particular thing even without knowing about its presence, it is because of presence of fine particles or molecules of this thing in the surrounding air. When we breathe in air, these particles also enter our nose. The upper part of the nose has the olfactory nerve that carries the message of the smell to the brain. Care of the nose. We should keep our nose clean. The hair in our nose filter dirt, so always breathe through the nose. Do not pick the nose. Do not use a dirty hanky to blow your nose as it may cause infection. Fourth is the organ of taste, tongue. It has thousands of tiny taste buds that can taste sweet, bitter, salty and sour. These buds have nerve endings which carry the message to the brain to help us to taste various food items. Care of the tongue. Avoid eating very spicy food. Use a tongue cleaner to clean the tongue. Avoid drinking very hot beverages. Now we will discuss the organ of touch and feel, skin. The skin is the organ of touch and feel. Every small part of skin has millions of nerve endings attached to it, which help us to feel heat, pain, pressure and cold. The tiny pores on the skin help us to remove the body waste in the form of sweat. Care of the skin. The dirt and sweat should be removed from the skin by taking a bath regularly. An antiseptic cream or lotion should be applied to a cut or scratch on the skin to avoid infection. That was all about our sense organs. So in this lesson, we discussed how nervous system makes us aware of our surroundings. It coordinates and controls the working of all the systems of the body. So that's all in this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.